Do you want to come here? Okay guys, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ വരിക. Come on. Guys, do you want to come with us? You have to like and subscribe to come with